Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI Power, and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here we've got reset options, so let's enter, and as you can see on the very first position, we've got the reset option for which we are looking for. So simply tap on it. Now let's tap on DRM reset again, and now your device is asking you if you want to do it, if you want to delete all the licenses on this device. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, the licenses have been deleted successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset digital rights management in your UMIDIGI Power. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.